This WordPress theme features a modern and professional design with creative visual effects and a clean layout. It includes eye-catching animations, interactive sections, and smooth carousel elements for an engaging browsing experience. The responsive design looks great on all devices and is optimized for fast loading and better search engine visibility. Managing content is simple thanks to the user-friendly admin panel and flexible customization options. It also comes with blog support, contact forms, team sections, pricing layouts, and many built-in features to help create a polished and professional website. Winfresh is a modern and flexible WordPress theme designed with a clean and professional style. It includes powerful customization options, a responsive layout, and an easy drag-and-drop building experience. With Elementor integration, advanced theme options, and unlimited design possibilities, creating a unique website becomes simple and fast. The theme is optimized for performance, mobile devices, and search engines. It also includes useful features like customizable headers, footers, forms, multilingual support, and compatibility with popular tools. Winfresh provides a smooth experience for building modern websites without coding knowledge. Elektra is a modern and responsive WordPress theme with a clean and professional design. It combines creative visual effects, smooth animations, and interactive elements to create an engaging website experience. The theme includes customizable layouts, project and gallery sections, team pages, testimonials, and contact forms. It also offers one-click demo import, making setup quick and simple. Built with performance and flexibility in mind, Elektra is easy to customize and works smoothly across all devices. Elecmart is a modern and responsive WordPress theme built for service and business websites. It comes with a clean design and an easy-to-customize layout. The theme is powered by Elementor, making page editing simple with drag-and-drop tools. It includes ready-made pages, blog and portfolio support, advanced theme options, and WooCommerce compatibility. Mobile optimization, SEO-friendly structure, and smooth performance help create a professional website with ease. Fresco is a modern WordPress theme built with Elementor for creating stylish and professional websites. It comes with a responsive layout that looks great on every device. The theme includes portfolio and blog features to showcase projects and share updates with ease. Ajax effects, Retina-ready support, and background videos help create a smooth and engaging experience. It also supports WPML and MailChimp, making it easy to build multilingual websites and grow your audience. Fresco is flexible, easy to customize, and designed for a polished online presence. Propick is a modern WordPress theme built with Elementor for fast and flexible website creation. It features a fully responsive layout that looks great on every device. The theme includes an admin panel, blog, gallery, portfolio, and Google Maps integration. You also get support for background videos, Ajax functionality, and an events calendar. Retina-ready graphics and a clean design help create a polished user experience. It is compatible with the latest WordPress versions and works with popular plugins like WPML, MailChimp, and LearnPress. Wido is a modern and flexible WordPress theme built to create professional and engaging websites. It offers a clean design, responsive layout, and powerful customization options. With Elementor Page Builder, you can easily create pages using a simple drag and drop system. The theme includes multiple design options, advanced settings, and support for popular WordPress tools. It is optimized for performance, mobile devices, and easy customization without coding knowledge. FixMaster is a modern and responsive WordPress theme with a clean and professional design. It includes flexible customization options, making it easy to match your brand and style. The theme comes with useful content sections, smooth animations, and interactive elements that improve the user experience. You also get a blog, portfolio, team pages, and optimized performance for fast loading. With its polished layout and easy navigation, it helps you create a professional website without extra effort. Gogrin is a modern and responsive WordPress theme with a clean and minimal design. It includes Elementor, making it easy to build and customize pages with drag-and-drop editing. The theme offers flexible layout options, unlimited color customization, and multiple header and footer styles. It is fully responsive, retina-ready, and optimized for smooth performance across all devices. WooCommerce support, SEO-friendly code, and compatibility with popular WordPress plugins make it a solid choice for creating a professional website without coding. Windora is a modern WordPress theme focused on creating stylish and professional websites with ease. It offers a flexible design system, advanced customization options, and a smooth user experience. The theme includes modern layouts, interactive effects, dynamic sliders, and many visual elements to make your pages stand out. With responsive design, powerful features, and an intuitive interface, Windora helps you build a unique and engaging online presence. Broadband is a modern WordPress theme built with Elementor. It features a responsive layout that looks great on all devices. The theme includes flexible page layouts, drag-and-drop editing, and advanced customization options. It is SEO-friendly and comes with ready-to-use demo content for a faster setup. With multiple templates, a gallery, Google Maps support, and a clean design, it is a solid choice for creating a professional website. Careold is a modern and flexible WordPress theme built with Elementor. It offers a clean design, responsive layouts, and powerful customization options for creating professional websites. With drag-and-drop editing, you can build pages quickly without coding. The theme includes ready-made sections, advanced theme options, and WooCommerce support for extra flexibility. It is optimized for performance, SEO, and mobile devices, making your website fast, accessible, and easy to use. Lifetime updates, broad plugin compatibility, and simple one-click installation make it a reliable choice for many different projects. Gogrin is a modern and flexible WordPress theme with a clean, professional design. It is easy to customize and works great for many different types of websites. Built with Elementor, it lets you create pages using a simple drag-and-drop editor without coding. The theme is fully responsive, Retina-ready, and optimized for fast performance and SEO. It includes many customization options, multiple header and footer styles, WooCommerce support, and compatibility with popular WordPress plugins. With lifetime updates, extensive documentation, and a user-friendly interface, Gogrin makes website creation fast and convenient. Gogrin is a modern and responsive WordPress theme with a clean and professional design. It is built with Elementor, making page creation simple with drag-and-drop editing. The theme includes extensive customization options, flexible layouts, and WooCommerce support for online stores. It is fully responsive, Retina-ready, and optimized for performance across all devices. With multiple header and footer styles, unlimited color options, and no coding required, it provides everything needed to build a polished and engaging website. Plumbify is a modern WordPress theme with a clean and professional design. It offers flexible customization, responsive layouts, and an easy drag-and-drop content system. The theme includes advanced theme options, smooth animations, SEO-friendly features, and performance optimization. Built-in sections for blogs, portfolios, testimonials, teams, and contact forms make it easy to create a complete and engaging website. With its lightweight structure and user-friendly interface, Plumbify helps you build a polished online presence quickly and efficiently.